Have you ever noticed how easy it is to talk about what's bothering you with money, but how rarely you talk about what's actually going right? In most conversations, it almost happens automatically. We share what's stressful financially, what didn't work out, what feels tight, or what feels uncertain. But when money comes in, when something works out financially, or when things go smoothly, it often doesn't come up at all in our conversations. It just passes by. So why do you think this happens? There's a subtle pattern in the way we relate to money and to other people. So talking about financial problems, well, it just feels natural, it's relatable, familiar, and easy to connect over. It creates a sense of shared experience. But talking about money going well, that feels a little different. It might feel like you're drawing attention to yourself or like it doesn't quite fit into the flow of conversation. So without realizing it, we default to sharing financial stress and we quickly skip over what's actually working. Now, over time, this shapes how your financial reality feels. If most of your conversations revolve around money being tight, stressful, or unpredictable, it can start to feel like that's most of what exists, even if things are working out with money. Let's say money's coming in or bills are getting paid, opportunities are showing up. These don't get acknowledged or even reinforced. And because of that, they don't feel as real or present. So this can create the sense that money is always a struggle or money is never enough, even when that is not entirely true. So what would it be like to simply notice this pattern? So try this. The next time you talk about money, see what naturally comes up. And if something has gone well financially, give yourself permission to mention it. Not in a forced or exaggerated way, but just as part of your human lived experience. Even acknowledging it to yourself can be enough. So over time, this begins to create a more balanced awareness of your true financial reality. You're not only shaped by what happens with money, you're also shaped by what you notice and by what you talk about. And if what's going right financially is always left out of the conversation, it can start to feel like it was never there, but it is. So the more you allow those moments to be seen and acknowledged, the more present they become in your experience. And that's where your relationship with money and abundance begins to shift in a quieter, more natural way towards healing. So if this message resonates with you, don't forget to like the video, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, stay magical and may the wealth flow to you.